walking down to the track. I cannot believe we're racing today. It's actually drier than I thought it was going to be. But it rained here like insanely amounts of rain. Didn't think we were going to get this race in, and somehow we did, and we had to scramble to get there. Yeah, get the car done. All right, walked all the way back from filming the track, and they just called the right there driver's meeting. So now I'm walking all the way back down there, get my steps in.
Heavenly Father, watch over and protect us this evening as we all participate in this sport we dearly love. Watch over our loved ones, our race family, our first responders, and all our military establishment. One big happy family here. Love or hate each other at times. In God's name, amen.
All right, going out here pretty soon for hot laps. Heat race, we started dead last, but nobody was ready for this race to happen. We didn't think it was going to happen. Thought it was going to rain out, and nobody's car's ready. So there's only like 6 or 7 cars tonight. So we tagged dead last in the heat race, but everybody in this division tonight is no slouch. Anybody can win. So got a lot of work cut out for us, and the car's been completely gone too. Everything's pretty much new. So we'll see in hot laps if we got all the bugs out. So anyway, stay tuned. I don't know. It felt like it just laid over coming out of 2. It made a weird tone. And
no,
like,
that was hitting your chip when you went past the checker.
I'm tacking 6,600. Something ain't right. What?
You're thinking of push rod by the plug. Went to 8 cylinders or something on you?
Yeah, it felt like it just laid over coming out of 2. So he's working behind us, putting new push rod in, new rocker. Hopefully that'll do it. So we should be good to tag the back of the main. Like I said, only 7 cars, so 4th row inside to myself. Here's the bent push rod and rocker. Well, there is our car. And the other late models are gone. So time to change. We weren't able to fix it in time. So there's two different series we were running with, Placerville, and then also the Extreme Series, which we won the championship in last year. We were kind of undecided on what one we were going to go with, but because this happened, we missed the main event already, first night out at Placerville. So we're going to have to obviously go for the Extreme Series and run points for them. So Marysville next weekend. So I'm going to go shoot some video of the late model race, and I'll be back with you to close this out. Had like a 10-minute delay. There's Matt Davis involved in the accident, so it looks like he's trying to tear off a very expensive nose. Lights out, 20 laps, so not the night we wanted. We got a pure stock Thomas Arbogast. He used to race late models like 10 years ago, hasn't raced a car in forever, and this is his first night out. So I threw the GoPro on that pure stock back there, I don't even know the number, 86 or something like that. So he starts fourth. So at least this will be an interesting view to see. So here's the car here. All right, good luck, buddy.
Thanks.
All right, there's Matt McKelly there. He won the main event. As you saw, I think I put some clip on there of the ending. He got second points to us in the Extreme Series and kicked off, got the first win of the year. And he won the first race last year at Marysville. So anyway, hopefully we can get that car back together. We'll be back at Marysville next weekend, and Dennis should tear into that motor and see what's going on with it. Anyway, here's a ride along with Tom Arbogast. didn't rain tonight, but I think I got a black cloud over my head because I put my camera on his car and now he brakes. So I'm gonna go check and see what happened. All right, we're loading up. There is 3 push rods, 2 of them bent, just trying to fix it. Broken rocker. No, it'll be fine. So one last look at the car here. Like I said, still in great condition. But we're going, I've said it already like 3 times, 4 times. We're going to Marysville next weekend, the Extreme Late Model Tour. That's what we're running for this year. We won the championship last year. Last race out, we won the last race of the year there. So excited to go back. Dennis should have this car ready to go, and then I'll get over there on... Oh, cars are trying to run me over. Anyway, yeah, so we're going back there. So car should be all ready to go. Gonna probably head over there on Friday or something, or sometime, and take care of business on the car and get the tires clean, get the trailer clean. So anyway, I appreciate you guys sticking along. The other car, the pure stock we just rode with, thinks he hurt his motor, so he's never gonna park next to us again or let me put my camera on his car. So anyway, a little different perspective, different type of car. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, let you know how this went. Sorry it kind of sucked, you know, watching our car all night, but hopefully got you some other footage that was somewhat entertaining. So hope see you guys next week on our next video.